How to find flexible flight dates with Google Flight. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can find flexible dates with Google Flight. So how do you do so? First step, head to your browser and type out Google Flight and ensure you're on the Google Flights page. So once you're on this page, you can see the flight session, okay, and then on this section go ahead and search out the flights that you want, where are you coming from and where are you going to. You just go ahead and type out your location, that is where you are headed, okay, just type that out. Okay. And then after typing it out, move to the right side of the screen and then click on the date icon or the calendar icon. Sorry, by clicking on the calendar icon, the dates would be displayed. And here now you can easily find flexible dates based on their prices on this page. And also, in order to find flexible dates as well, move to the bottom part of the calendar where you would see showing prices in Nigeria for so amount of days. So we have 7 days, we have 8 days, we have 9 days. So ensure you select the one that works better for you, and then just go ahead and select your trip, your arrival, your departure. All right, just select it and then click on done. But check through this in order for you to find flexible dates. And then once you're done, click on done and you're good to go. All right, click on search and flights available for those days will be displayed to you. So this is how you can find flexible dates on or with Google Flight. Thank you for watching and have a good day.